that my Pajama Sam mask?
This mask belongs to the people.
It sure looks like my mask.
Property is theft, man. Anyway, I need this mask to hide my identity as the leader of the Salad Liberation Front.
The what?
The Salad Liberation Front. We're a group of veggies fighting against the core system. We're tired of being relegated to the salad. We want to be the main course.
Whatever. I just want my mask back.
Tell you what, the other carrots are held captured in the refrigerator in Darkness's kitchen. If you help me free the carrots, I'll give you back the mask.
Okay, it's a deal.
Great, I'll come with you to the kitchen so I can direct the operation.
Okay, sure. Please, won't you open the door since I have another victim?
What? I surrender not ever. Oh wait, now I see. You have captured that troublesome carrot leader guy. I'll open up my door so you can put that rogue inside my drawer.
Oh no, our orange leader was caught.
Our fight for our freedom for us. We are diminished.
Completely finished.
Hey guys, don't you see he's with me and you're free to go?
Free, yes, free.
Free, 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 whoopee! Alright, yeah. I almost forgot this, but you earned it. You have taken the tide and turned it. You may take this mask and wear it, a gift of gratitude from this carrot.
Hooray, I finally have my mask. 2 more things and I finish my task.
He's Harvey, sweetest furry pussycat around. Yeah, yeah.
Remember, eat your carrots, everybody, or they just might eat you. And don't forget to respect the Salad Liberation Front. I'm Harvey.